Hey everyone, I am once again in front of you with a new quick sketch. Step by step, you can easily see how I'm sketching and how I'm doing the shading work so that it may encourage you. I always start with the eyes first. One thing you may have noticed that this quick sketch done without any blending tool means I haven't blended any area with the help of any blending tools like cotton buds or with my fingers or with any instrument of blending techniques like that. The whole painting is done without any blending technique. Some of my friends suggested me to blend the sketches and how to keep my hands or not to rotate the portrait so much in front of camera. Thank you so much for all those suggestions, and I kept all those suggestions on my mind, and after that I'm shooting this video, and also I'm sketching without any blender because this is my style. If you have noticed on my first or second or third fourth video, you may have noticed that I am not using blending very much. Sometimes I have used my hand and sometimes cotton bud while I'm working with the color pencil. Rest very less time I have used the blenders, and on this particular quick sketch I haven't used any. This is my style. I want to tell you that try not to be the part of the procession where thousands or millions or billions of people are going. They have one traditional technique and they are not able to come up from that particular procession. And as I have told you on my last video, that I always try to break the rule, and I have done this portrait without any blender. If you really like this technique, you may use it too. Try this. It will be a little bit adventurous, right? What do you say? Would you like to apply the technique or not? Just comment me and let me know. While you are interacting me, that gives me so much of pleasure and happiness for the artist like me. I always want to thank all my subscribers for making my count more than 100 and watching my videos, and also who are watching this video for first time. I would like to thank them also, and I love to introduce myself. Hi, I am Sutapa Ghosh and welcome to your channel. Here I used to share my experience while I'm working with sketches or acrylic colors or watercolors or poster colors. I used to share them with you so that all the self-help artists should get a guidance, as I used to get guidance from YouTube and so many good artists. If you have enjoyed this video, then give a thumbs up, and if you are new viewer, please subscribe my channel for mental support and share my videos to the beginners so that they can get a guidance. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.